So how does the saying go? Necessity is the mother of invention. Well, here's a good example right here at Mainline Auto Body, where Stevie, one of our painters, alerted us to how we can make a DIY face mask using a regular paper towel and 2 rubber bands. So here Stevie is folding it in a concertina fashion. Let's hope he doesn't play that thing anytime soon. And then he'll grab one end, about an inch from the end, and place the rubber band, and then fold it, and using a stapler just staple the towel to itself. And he'll repeat that process for the other side. Quick fold and a staple. And this occasion is going to fan that out just a little bit. And then grab each of the rubber bands. And you know where this is going. Hook over each ear. And there we go. Stevie's off to the races. The DIY face mask. Great job, Stevie.